Monkey MacGyver, who's the bitch, and you could be the daddy. All today on Zoo 2 News. Ready for your first story? Monkey MacGyver. A monkey that escaped from the zoo 2 weeks earlier in Tupelo, Mississippi has escaped again, this time by picking a lock. It's almost like the monkey doesn't want to be locked up in a zoo. It's like almost like that. The monkey did leave a note next to the picked lock that said, "You could be the daddy." Paris Hilton said that she plans on naming her first child after her childhood cat, which she named London. But no matter what name she picks, everyone else will still call it that poor kid.
So Long Lassie, a border collie from Michigan, has been named the most talented pet in America in a competition held by Petco, beating out 600 other dogs. Her talents include getting drinks from the refrigerator, as well as flushing the toilet and putting the seat down. These talents also put her ahead of most husbands in America. Am I right, ladies? Holler!
Don't do that.
Rocky and Burp-winkle. Norwegian researchers are saying that moose are affecting the environment by burping. Here's Dash Douglas, our in-depth investigator, with details.
Thank you, Laura. Apparently, these moose are contributing to the global warming threat. There he goes. Apparently, these belches are contributing 100 pounds of, kilograms. He's just going nuts, of methane gas per year. And do you guys hear this? He's going nuts. It's 4,600 Dude, that reeks, man. Wait, hold on, let me try. Man, are you guys hearing this guy? He's going crazy.
Who's the bitch? Leona Helmsley's former housekeeper said that Trouble, the now $12 million dog, bit her many times, but not as often as Leona did.
Cat got your funds? In the Philippines, heavily armed police surrounded a bank for hours after its alarm went off, only to discover that the intruders were cats. They crawled in through a small hole in the ceiling. Wow, talk about cat burglars. Yeah.
Oh. Hello. Like we told so many jokes and that's the one you laugh at?
Well, it's hilarious.
Okay. From another mother. A Rottweiler named Jade has begun nursing a newborn kitten whose mother died a few days after its birth. The kitten has not yet been named, although the owner is leaning towards sucker. Really? Man, tough crowd.
Someday.
What did that feel like when everyone laughed at your joke?
Okay. You know what it feels like when someone says they only want to be with you forever and ever and no one else ever?
No.
Oh. Well, it feels like that. Next week on Zoo 2 News, Zippy the water skiing squirrel is arrested for DUI.
And a gun-toting dolphin gives another meaning to the words blowhole. Next week on Zoo 2 News, I'm Beth Hoyt. Thanks for watching.
And I'm Laura Valpey.